HEMA has officially announced that the 2026 AITO M7 will become available for pre-orders starting September 5, 2025, ahead of its full market release on September 23, 2025. Positioned as a major update to AITO's flagship SUV lineup, the new M7 introduces a refreshed design inside and out, while also advancing significantly in terms of technology and performance. One of the most notable upgrades is the integration of Huawei's ADS4 intelligent driving assistance system. This cutting-edge platform incorporates Limera, the industry's first in-cabin laser vision solution, which is designed to enhance safety, situational awareness, and autonomous driving capabilities. From a design perspective, the 2026 AITO M7 features a modernized front fascia with a smooth, closed-off grille design that reflects its electric-forward identity. AITO's signature headlight clusters frame the front, creating a distinctive visual presence. Along the sides, semi-hidden door handles help reduce aerodynamic drag, contributing both to efficiency and a clean, streamlined profile. The SUV measures 5,080 mm in length, 1,999 mm in width, and 1,780 mm in height, with a generous wheelbase of 3,030 mm, ensuring ample cabin space and stability on the road. Inside, the cabin is designed with a focus on luxury, comfort, and digital connectivity. At the center of the dashboard sits a massive 16.1-inch control screen, serving as the hub for navigation, entertainment, and smart vehicle functions. The driver's seat incorporates a zero-gravity ergonomic design, aimed at reducing fatigue during long journeys. Rear passengers enjoy an entertainment screen with multi-control functionality, while added conveniences include an intelligent hot/cold storage box for beverages and snacks, features that elevate both practicality and passenger comfort. Powertrain options are equally versatile. The Extended Range Electric Vehicle (EREV) version comes in two configurations, offering 37 kWh and 53 kWh battery packs. Combined with its range-extending engine, the EREV achieves a maximum driving range exceeding 1,600 km, catering to long-distance travel needs. For customers seeking a fully electric experience, the Battery Electric Vehicle (BEV) variant is equipped with a 100 kWh battery, capable of delivering a CLTC-certified pure electric range of more than 700 km. With its combination of bold design updates, intelligent driving technologies, premium interior features, and flexible powertrain options, the 2026 AITO M7 aims to set a new benchmark in the smart luxury SUV market. A standout innovation in the new AITO M7 is the debut of Huawei's Limera in-cabin laser vision solution, a first-of-its-kind approach to intelligent sensing technology. Unlike conventional roof-mounted LiDAR units, which are often bulky and visually intrusive, the Limera system discreetly integrates a LiDAR sensor and camera behind the rearview mirror, within the front windshield. This placement not only preserves the vehicle's sleek design but also resolves a long-standing consumer concern over aesthetics. Huawei highlights several key advantages of this new configuration. Most importantly, the in-cabin location provides lifetime zero cleaning, as the system is naturally shielded from dust, rain, insects, and other environmental contaminants that can impair the performance of external sensors. This ensures more consistent reliability for critical functions such as advanced driver assistance, ADAS, and automatic emergency braking, AEB. From a technical perspective, Limera is engineered with a circular aperture, a design choice that contrasts with the rectangular openings typically found on external LiDAR units. This suggests a smaller, quieter form factor, optimized for in-cabin use. Traditional roof-mounted systems often rely on moving mirrors to achieve full scanning capabilities, but this approach can increase both noise and wear over time. By minimizing these mechanical components, Limera offers a more refined and durable solution. However, Huawei acknowledges that in-cabin LiDAR systems historically face challenges in detection range, field of view, FOV, and resolution compared to roof-mounted LiDAR sensors. To address this, the Limera integration has been strategically positioned within the product lineup. It is primarily featured in the lower-spec versions of the AITO M7, where it replaces the previous pure vision setup that relied exclusively on cameras. This upgrade significantly enhances the perception capabilities of these models, especially in low light conditions, where cameras alone are prone to performance limitations. For consumers, the benefits are tangible. Huawei claims that Limera can detect obstacles as small as 30 centimeters at night, delivering the precision necessary for timely intervention. In real-world terms, this means the system is capable of enabling emergency braking from speeds of up to 100 km per hour, offering drivers and passengers a higher level of safety in critical scenarios. By combining discrete design, robust protection from environmental interference, and a step-change improvement over camera-only vision systems, Huawei's Limera represents not just an incremental update, but a strategic leap forward in intelligent driving technology. Integrating an in-cabin LiDAR system into a vehicle is not without its engineering challenges. One major hurdle is the attenuation of laser signals by the car's window glass, which can reduce the intensity of a 905 nanometers laser by 30 to 50%, potentially impacting detection range and accuracy. Additionally, engineers must account for electromagnetic interference from in-cabin electronics, which can affect signal fidelity, and carefully balance competing factors such as sensor size, cost, field of view, FOV, and interior aesthetics to ensure both performance and design harmony. For the higher-spec AITO M7 models, the brand continues to rely on the robust 192-line external LiDAR system, which provides superior detection capabilities and a wider FOV compared to in-cabin solutions. This makes it particularly effective for advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and high-speed safety scenarios. Consumers are encouraged to carefully evaluate their driving needs and priorities. While the Limera in-cabin LiDAR offers a sleek, discreet, and practical upgrade for low to mid-spec models, those seeking maximum ADAS performance and extended detection range may find the external LiDAR-equipped versions better suited to their requirements.